Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cash out from the Cash application. So first of all, of course, you would like to have the Cash app on your phone. So if you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just first tell you that Cash App is currently just working on the United States. Of course, if you are not from United States, you will find a trick on how to download or even to find it on your store and start using it on our channel. You will find a video on how to do that. Of course, or you can just use the VPN if you want. And hopefully it will work. After that, of course, just go and launch the Cash application if you want to cash out. Then all you need to do, just go and first of all that will be your home screen, and just go and click at the bank icon here at the bottom left corner. So after clicking on that, you'll find here two options, which is the cash, add cash, and cash out. Of course, my cash balance is $0. So if I click on cash out, as you can see, this $0 shakes because I have no balance. Of course, I would like to have some balance first if I want to cash out. So if I click at add cash, maybe choose here some cash and enter my debit card number and add the cash, of course, I will be able to cash out. Of course, after clicking cash out, I'll just need to enter the amount that I want to cash out, enter the information of the card of the bank that I want to cash out the money in, and I'll be good to go. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.